Hey guys, thanks for dropping in for another unboxing video. This time we're going to be unboxing the Fenix LD15R 500 lumen right angled LED flashlight. This is a flashlight that has both dual light sources, white and red, USB rechargeable, two-way body clip, battery level indicator, and a magnetic tail. The ratings include an IP68 water rating and a 5-year warranty. On the side, it goes into further details about lumen distance, runtime, as well as FL standard for drop and water submersion. On the back, you can see that it has a little quick description as well as a breakdown of both output, runtime, distance, intensity, impact resistance, and waterproofness with the two different light sources. Of course, with the white light sources, it has the most variability for 500 lumens all the way down to 3. Whereas the red source is only a static 4 lumens no matter what output or signal that you're using in red, signal, or SOS. So overall, this box is very compact. It has a lot of information on it, but let's get into it. And here's the product. So overall, let's see what we get. Of course, more pamphlets, charging cable, nice little carry case, and it looks like spare O-rings and USB charger cover. And finally, the nice little flashlight that we've all been waiting for. So this is the Fenix LD15R. It's a nice little, really like compact sized flashlight that I think will be really useful for anyone who needs to operate in a dark space and needs immediate lighting in their surrounding. Immediately coming to mind is healthcare workers in the middle of the night shift kind of needs. Your patients don't like a lot of light, but you need to do your assessment, so this will be super helpful. I got this from a buddy of mine actually, but you can actually pick it up online at the Fenix website for $54.95 right now on sale. Current MSRP is $69.95, so looks like you save about $14. So thanks for checking it out, and hopefully you guys like this unboxing.